Welcome back to our Sailrite workbench. Today, we're going to be showing you how to create invisible seams. Invisible seams are exactly what they sound like, seams that look invisible, which means that you can't see the thread. This method perfectly conceals an opening in an application and blends right in with the rest of the seams. This is a little more time-consuming than using a sewing machine, but it will achieve a much cleaner look. To create an invisible seam, you will need pins or clips, thread, and a curved hand sewing needle. Here we have a pillow application to show you as an example. Once your pillow form or stuffing is inserted into the cover, clip or pin the opening close, folding the raw edges in. After threading the needle, tie a knot in the end of the doubled thread. The thread, when doubled, should roughly be a little longer than the size of the opening. Start by inserting the needle under the fabric about 1/4 inch out from the start. Then push it up through where you want the start point to be. This will hide your knot in the inside of your pillow. Now run the needle through the right side of your fabric near the top of the hem and then out the same side. Then move directly across to the opposite side of your folded hem and repeat the process. Each stitch should move about 1/4 inch up at a time. The trick to this technique is to insert your needle directly across from your exit point on the other side so that your thread is perpendicular to the folded hems. The thread will look like rungs on a ladder. Carefully work back and forth. Every 5 or so stitches, pull your thread taut and the stitches will close up tight and disappear into the fabric. Continue this same process for the remainder of the opening. When you get to the end of your opening, thread the needle down and through the middle of your hem about 1 inch or so. Then repeat the same steps going back. Do this a few times to bury the loose thread to avoid tying a knot in the end. Once it's threaded multiple times, you can cut the extra thread flush with the pillow and the seam will completely disappear. It's a really simple technique that with a little extra time will add a level of professionalism to your projects. For more helpful how-to videos or DIY project videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys next time.